All right, folks, today we're going to talk about a really special type of dye used in webbing dyeing cationic dye. It's also got another name, basic dye. These two names are talking about the same thing, so don't get confused when you hear either one. First, let's talk about why it's called cationic dye. Put simply, the tiny particles of this dye carry a positive charge. In chemistry, anything with a positive charge is called a cation, so that's where the name comes from. Because it works better at coloring in alkaline environments, it's also called basic dye. Both names work interchangeably. Now let's talk about its characteristics. First off, the colors are incredibly vibrant. We're talking the brightest, most saturated colors of any dye out there. Those eye-popping colors like fluorescent shades, bright red, royal blue, vivid yellow, basically all of them need this dye to make them happen. Second, it colors fast and bonds tight. It's like a little magnet with a positive charge. The moment it touches the right fiber, boom, it latches right on. Dyes quickly and doesn't fade easily. Third, it's super picky and only dyes specific materials. It won't work on just any fabric or webbing. If the material doesn't match, you can dye all day and nothing's gonna stick. It mainly works with these materials: acrylic fiber, also known as acrylic. This is where it really shines. Cationic dyeable polyester, also called CDP polyester.
And also nylon, polyamide webbing, lanyards, bag straps, and decorative ribbons.
Regular stuff like cotton, linen, or ordinary polyester, pretty much useless with this dye. The color comes out pale and uneven, totally not suitable. Quick recap. Cationic dye, also called basic dye, carries a positive charge, giving you vibrant colors with great fastness, and is specifically used for dyeing acrylic, cationic polyester, and nylon webbing and fabrics in bright colors. It's basically the high saturation beauty queen of the dye world. If you found our video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.